In our starting videos, we see we cannot change the value of constant variable. For example, if I declare const a equals to like 400, and after that if I reinitialize the value of a to 200, and after that we want to print document.write or console.log, and then we use a. Let's say you can see there is an error uncount type assignment to constant variable. It means we cannot reassign the value to a constant variable. But we, in case of array, let declare constant array const arr, and here we have values 20, 30, 40, and after that we have just if we reinitialize the value like arr and then equals to 12, 24, 36, and let's say you can see same error is here, but if we use like arr and then square bracket and zero index, and after that we use 12, and let's save, you can see error is gone. And if we use console.log and after that use arr and let's save, you can see now the value of 20 is changed to 12. If we similarly use arr and index number 1 and after that we use 24 and save, you can now see it is also changed with 24. If here we use arr 3 and then we use 36 or 36 and save, you can see all the value is oh sorry, here we have to provide index number 2. Now let's save. Okay, now you can see all the value of the array is changed, but one by one. We cannot directly change, but with the help of index number we can change the value of array. And similarly, if we assign obj here equal, then we provide some name. Here we provide Shyam, Shyam, comma, age 30, and then we just use obj and save. You can see this is our object. What if we just use obj here, obj equal, and after that we just use same name and change the value. Here we use ram and then comma, then age. Now age is 20, and after that let's save. You can see this is the same error. We cannot reinitialize the value of a constant object. Okay, now what if we use obj dot name equals to ram now, and let's save. You can see name is changed. If we use obj dot age and then equal, and after that we use 20 and save. Sorry, here is the spelling mistake. Let's save. You can see age is also changed. This is how you can change the value of constant array and constant object, but you cannot change directly. Okay, hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.